It is story time. It is story time. Come on in and open your mind. It is story time. It is story time. It is story time. Come on in and let's explore. There are so many open doors. Come on in and bring a friend. Come on in and let's begin. It is story time. All right. Welcome to story time. Come on in, bring a friend. I like to call these book buddies. Get your book buddy, cozy up, bring your blanket or a nice warm scarf. I'm dressed in my winter things because I'm reading winter stories. And once upon a time, there was a story titled Snowman at Night. Snowman at Night. Let's see. This story is by Carolyn Buhner. Pictures by Mark Buhner. Oh, so they joined together. Let's open this book door. Let's explore. Title page, Snowman at Night by Carolyn Buhner. Pictures by Mark Buhner. Beautiful illustrations. One wintry day, I made a snowman, very round and tall. The next day when I saw him, he was not the same at all. His hat had slipped, his arms drooped down. He really looked a fright. It made me start to wonder, what do snowmen do at night? I think that snowmen start to slide when it gets really dark, off the lawn and down the street, right into the park. They gather in a circle while they wait for all the others, sipping cups of ice-cold cocoa made by snowman mothers. So look at that. They don't make cups of hot chocolate. They make cold cocoa. Why do you think that's so? Then the snowman games begin. They line up their places, each one anxious for his turn in the snowman race. Wow, snowman race. Have you ever been in a snowman race? After everyone has had a chance at racing once or twice, they go over to the pond to do skating tricks on ice. Look, snowmen get to have fun too. They have races, they skate in ponds. Sometimes they start giggling and then they act like clowns. They bump into each other till they all fall down. Look at them having fun. They tell jokes. They gather up their snowballs. The pitcher take his aim, and underneath the moonlit sky, they play a baseball game. Wow, snowmen really know how to have fun, just like people. No one knows just how it started, but soon it's quite a sight, with snowmen throwing snowballs in the world's best snowball fight. Then it's time for sledding. It's a wild ride down the hill. Woo! They yell. This is by far the snowman's biggest thrill. What are they doing? Sledding is so much fun. Look at their faces. Finally, they're tuckered out. and getting sleepy. So they slowly gather up their things, and one by one, they go. So if your snowman grin is crooked, or he's lost a little height, you'll know he's just been doing what snowmen do at night. Looks a little tired, right? All that snowman fun. To Jay and Chris, our superstitious snowman shifters. The end. So if you're wondering what your snowman does at night that you build, they're out having fun, sledding, skating on the ice, drinking cold cocoa. Who knew? What do you think would happen if they had a hot cup of chocolate? I think they'll be looking even more tired in the morning, more slump. So they have to drink their cocoa cold. What a wonderful story. So if you were wondering, I love imagination. I love a book. There's always so many doors to explore. If you would like to enjoy this story again, why don't you visit your local library? Or if you want it in your own home library, why don't you visit your local bookstore to purchase this Snowman at Night? Or moms and dads like to make a little magic like I told you and make things appear at your doorstep. Maybe they can order online from places like Amazon, Barnes & Noble, Target. That's where a lot of these books are if you want them in your library. Just like my books, Author Michelle, Shelly's Dolly, Shane Goes to School, you can too. Shelly Goes to School, you can too. So, I'm so happy you joined. If you're getting ready for bedtime, sleep tight. If you're getting ready for nap time, sleep tight. Or if you're just enjoying winter story time, come on back. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a like. Come on back to story time. Story time is all done. Thank you, everyone. See you soon. Snowflake kisses.